Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Sofatun Najah. I'm from class 4B. Here I will analyze an article entitled A Review on the Role of Video as a Teaching Media to Improve Students' Listening Skill in Senior High School in Indonesia. Research by Ni Komang Trilokanita, Ni Wayan Moni Krismadewi, and Luh Mila Trisnadewi. Okay, first, the purpose or aim. The objective of this research is to find out the role of video as a teaching media to improve student listening skills and to describe how the use of video as a teaching media influences students' motivation during the listening class. Second, the problems. Based on the research that the writer has gathered, the 5 research showed that Indonesian students of senior high school had problems with listening skills. They found that listening is difficult for them. The factor that made listening difficult for them was because they had limited vocabulary and the speaker accent made the listening skill weren't interesting for them. The teacher taught listening orally by her or himself. Third, literature. The listening skill is the basic skill for the learner before they master speaking skills. The learner must understand the spoken language that they hear. Therefore, listening is very important in a language because by listening, the learner will get many input for the learner. Listening also has an important role in developing learner language knowledge by Ross in Ahmadi 216. Fourth, research method. This study used library research or content analysis as research design. Because the writer gathered all of the data from 5 documents, the writer collected 5 research as data source. The total participants in this study were 166 students. The research the instrument of this study was the writer herself. Since this study used liberal research or content analysis, so the data that the writer used was secondary data. The writer used qualitative as method of analyzing the data. 5. The result or finding. The first data was from Zezen Pratama. He conducted classroom action research. He used English movie as teaching media to improve student listening skills. The mean score of pre-test cycle 1 was 72.14 and the mean score of post-test cycle 2 was 90.28. The second data was from Fatma Riftiningsi. She conducted classroom action research. She used video as a teaching media to improve student listening skills. The result was the mean score of pre-test cycle 1 was 54.33 and the result of post-test cycle 2 was 82. The third data was from Desi Putriani, Muhammad Sukilan, Dedi Supriyadi. They use video as a teaching media to improve student listening comprehension. The result of their study was the mean score of pre-test 54.84. Mean score of post-test 72.17. The fourth data was from Anna Susilawati. Anna used video as a teaching media to improve student listening skills. It can be seen from the mean score of the pre-test was 61.64. After being taught by video, the mean score increases became 81.01. The last data was from Grafika Faladina Purbasari. Grafika used video to improve student listening skill. Students gain their score from 79.6 became 82.6. And the last conclusion. Based on the finding and the discussion, it can be concluded that video plays an important role for students' listening skills. It can be seen from the result of the 5 resources that the writer collected. The results were: first, based on the student perception, video is one of the teaching media which makes the learning process more enjoyable and interesting. That makes the student enthusiastic to follow the listening process. Second, video can make the student more active during the listening class because video can make the student more understand the spoken language. Third, video can grab student attention because video provides picture and sound information. Fourth, it shows that video can improve the student listening skill. Video makes them understand the listening material. 5. The students are motivated to join the listening class because of the teaching media, which is video. Motivation is an important thing that the student must have. When the students have motivation to join the listening class, it makes them try to understand the spoken message. This will help the student to active the purpose of listening skill. Okay, so that's it, my analysis of the article I read. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.